Welcome to this MansionArizona.com luxury home tour. I'm your luxury real estate professional, Jeremy Pales. We're here in South Chandler in the amazing gated community of Bela, Flor. Before we get into the house, I gotta thank the listing agent, Kim Lippy with eXp Realty, for letting me take you all on a tour of this amazing home. It's hot out here, so let's get going inside pretty quick. I'm gonna stop real quick right here in this courtyard where we have this really cool fireplace. You might think, fireplace in their front yard? I have some friends that live in this neighborhood. It's an amazing, quiet, peaceful, serene. You'll enjoy hanging out in this front courtyard. Also, we've got a separate entrance to the guest quarters right here. We'll show you that on the inside. Let's get into this 4,600 square foot house. Right as you enter the home, you get this great view straight to the backyard with the gorgeous pool. We have the west wing over here, which has most of the bedrooms, including the guest quarters. First, let's head to the west wing. To my right, we've got the guest quarters with its own ensuite bathroom and separate entrance from the outside. Over here to my left, they've kind of got some desks set up in here, but this definitely has more of a feel of like a teen room or like a media room, because off of it, we've got 3 different bedrooms. This is one of the guest bedrooms. It's got a king size bed in it, so you can already see there's a lot of room. You're gonna follow me through the bathroom because normally I don't show guest bathrooms very often. But you're gonna understand why in a moment. As we walk through the Jack and Jill bathroom and find ourselves in another one of the bedrooms. All of the guest bedrooms have walk-in closets. It's pretty amazing storage in this house. All right, here we've got a door out to the back where the pool, patio, all that stuff is. There's a bathroom right here directly off, so your guests that are here hanging out in the pool, direct access, really quick and easy to a bathroom. We're here in the formal dining room. One of the things I really like about this house is there's a lot of curves. You get into houses that are really boxy. This one has lots of curve, lots of smooth edges. Definitely a different feel than some other houses, but great dining room, looked out onto the front courtyard. And here we've got the kitchen, wall oven, microwave, gas range, built-in KitchenAid, side-by-side refrigerator. This island, beautiful granite countertops throughout, and leading directly off of the kitchen, we've got our living room. Massive 12-foot ceilings. I didn't mention this earlier, but pretty much all of the rooms have 10 or 12-foot ceilings, so everything in this house feels big, including these oversized wood look beams that are in this living room. It does have built-ins. This house was built in about 2012, but the built-ins are definitely designed for modern electronics, modern televisions. You can get a pretty big size TV in that space, and then a perfect place to display any artwork, sculptures that you might have. And then nestled in the corner, almost a throwback to some of the territorial type houses that we have in Arizona, you've got this corner curved fireplace. It is a gas fireplace, great for those handful of days that are cool in Arizona, today not being one of them. Speaking of today not being a cool day, let's head outside real quick and look at the pool. It's gonna be quick though because it's hot out there. Here we got our covered patio, nestled back in here with the windows directly to the front door. One of the things I love about kind of a patio that's pulled back in here is when we do get those fun, really cool monsoon storms, you can actually sit outside and not worry about being rained on, and you can enjoy the weather, the sound, the smells, because everybody loves the smell of some good desert rain. And on these super hot months, we've got this gorgeous pool to cool off in. Welcome to the East Wing. We have the master suite, both of the 2-car garages. I said it was a 4-car garage, it's actually 2 separate 2-car garages. Welcome to the master suite with the coffered ceilings. Again, 12-foot ceilings, so everything feels big, oversized, roomy. It's wonderful. Here in the bathroom, we have separate his and her sinks. We've got this wonderful built-in bathtub, nice granite steps leading up to it. We've got this shower back here that kind of curls around. And then we've got this closet. This is a fully custom closet with cabinet doors, drawers. I mean, storage for days in here. I mean, you gotta be a shopper to fill this thing up. Probably not hard for most people. Right off the master is one of the 2-car garages. I'm gonna show you that one in a minute because it's got cool cars in it. Hello. No, I'm just kidding. This laundry room is crazy. Look at all the storage. You've got cabinets everywhere, counter sink. This is kind of it's more than a laundry room. This is kind of like a hub of the functioning of your home, I think. That's a closet. Nobody cares about closets. Welcome to one of the 2-car garages. Both garages have these wonderful built-in floor to ceiling cabinets. Lighting is amazing in here. I didn't even have to use any of my lights for this recording because the lights are fantastic. Let's go look what we all care about, the cars at the garage. Welcome to the other 2-car garage where we have what everybody watching luxury home tours, they want to see the cars. They've got a Ferrari and they've got an old Mustang. It is mint. All right, well, that is it for this luxury home tour. If you're interested in taking a look at this home, give me a call. Number's on the screen below. Reach out to me. Do me a favor and comment below what was your favorite part about this house. And don't tell me the Ferrari because that's a cop-out answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this luxury home tour. If you want to know when new home tours drop, make sure you subscribe to the channel and we will see you on the next home tour. Bye.